Hello everyone, welcome you all to the English online class. In today's video, I will explain lesson 11 of your English grammar book, tenses. So let's get started. The word tense in grammar comes from the Latin tempus, which means time. The grammatical tense therefore refers to specific forms of verbs used to show the time of an action. There are three tenses in grammar relating to the present, past and future. First, we will learn about present tense. The present tense is used to refer to an action or a state in the present time. When we say in the present time, we mean the time when the speaker talks of the action or state. There are four different forms of the present tense: simple present, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous tense. Let's see the example of each. Simple present. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Present continuous. Kuntal is reading a storybook. Present perfect.
Shanti has finished his chores.
Present perfect continuous. Malti has been sleeping since morning. Now we will see the use of present tense in everyday life. We use present tense when narrating a story from a book or talking about the events in a film. For example, the villain does not realize his mistake. Live sports commentary uses the present tense. For example, sixth ball, Dhoni again takes a single. Newspaper headlines are usually written in the present tense even when the incident described has already happened. Massive oil spill threatens marine life. The present tense is often used to talk about the future, like the next flight for Singapore leaves at 10 o'clock. Jokes often use the simple present tense. Moving forward to the next tense, past tense. The past tense is used to describe an action or event that has happened earlier. The past tense is also used to talk about a state that existed earlier. The four different forms of the past tense are simple past, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous tense. Let's see the different forms of past tense with examples. Simple past. Sarmisha wrote a letter to the principal. Past continuous. Manisha was talking to her friend in Allahabad. Past perfect. Bidisha had lived in Bhopal before she moved to Agra. Past perfect continuous. Raj had been emailing someone before he went out. Next is future tense. The future tense is used to describe an action that has not yet taken place but is expected to take place at a later time. It is also used to talk about a future condition or state. The four forms of the future tense are simple future, future continuous, future perfect, future perfect continuous tense. Now see the different forms of future tense with example. Simple future. Noor will turn 14 next Tuesday. Future continuous. Abha will be arriving in India on 22nd August. Future perfect. By the time we reach, the bookstore will have shut. Future perfect continuous. We will have been living in Mumbai for 10 years by the end of October 2018. That's all for today's video. I will explain the structure of all different forms of tense with example in my live class. So don't forget to join my live class on next Monday.